Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download, install and sign up for the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. This is going to work on any mobile device, whether it's your iPad, iPhone, Android. It's also going to work the same kind of thing on the PC as well. So whatever it is, this is going to be the process you're going to want to do for it. So first of all, you're going to want to go ahead and head to the App Store, Google Play Store, whatever type of store you have on your device. Then you're going to want to search in Zoom. You should just come up with Zoom. If not, it's Zoom Cloud Meetings is the full name of it. So it might autocomplete, so you can do that there. Click the autocomplete version, or just type it all in yourself. Then you're going to have a look here. You're going to want to click Get on the Zoom Cloud Meetings one there. As you can see, mine has a circle because I've downloaded it already. But you will say Get, so you're going to want to click on Get to the right-hand side of Zoom Cloud Meetings there. And you're going to wait for it to download, and then you can either click Open on the on this page right here, the Zoom Cloud Meetings app, or you can just go to the app page there and click the app open. So obviously it's going to depend on your download speed, how quick it's going to be. But once you're there, it's going to bring you up to this page once you clicked on the app. Then you're obviously going to want to click Sign In if you can already, if you already have an account. But if not, for most of you, you're going to want to sign up. So you're going to want to type in your email address, your first name, and your last name. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of that. I'm going to block it on the screen now for obvious reasons, because I don't want everyone to see my email and password, etc. like that. So I'm going to go ahead and type my email in, and then my first name and last name. And also make sure this is your real email, etc. Don't just put like a fake one in, because you might need to verify, etc. and like receive emails and stuff as well. So then click Agree Terms of Service. You're going to need to do that if you want to sign up for it. So click the Agree on that, and then you're going to want to go ahead and click Sign Up. And then once you sign up, it's going to come up with this. It's going to say it's sent you a confirmation email. And this is the confirmation email right here that you'll see. So this is the one you're going to get. It might be in your junk folder, your spam folder, or whatever. So make sure you check around for that. It should be the email that you just typed in before. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go click Activate the account. It's going to bring up like the web browser like this, whatever device you're on. You're going to bring up this page here. And then once you've clicked on that, it's done. It's verified. So then from there on, you can click Open on the Zoom Cloud Meetings app like that. But you're going to want to go back on the app, then type in your email and password again, the one you just put in before, sign in, and there you go. It's pretty simple. You're actually on the app now. You can say, yeah, we'd like to send notifications you don't allow, all these type of things you don't allow or allow, depending on if you want to do them or not. Once that's done, you're in the app. You can see you can use everything here, new meetings, join, schedule, share screen, all of that type of stuff. So if that did help you out, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this, click on the other videos on the screen to see more how-to videos and apps like this. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.